there's a moon 3D shape now. At any rate, it looks that way, founded on some fascinating photographs from the Chinese lunar meanderer Yutu-2, delivered by the nation's space organization this week. The photographs show a far-off object that seems to be an ideal 3D square, and China say the meanderer is taken to confirm it. It's worth significant a couple of provisos about the photograph, spotted yesterday by space writer Andrew Jones, who depicted the development as a cubic shape. For a certain something, the item is only a couple of pixels in the photograph, meaning it could undoubtedly be some kind of optical deception that will be a mistake very close. What's more, China has battled with lunar science correspondents previously. In 2019, Yutu-2 found a gel-like substance on the lunar surface, yet after looking into it further it ended up being, indeed, rocks. It likewise trumpeted the find of a shard on the moon recently, however that went out to simply be another intriguing stone. Did we specify that there's not much other than rocks on the moon? Jones, as far as concerns him, is overseeing assumptions. No doubt it's anything but a monolith or outsiders, yet surely something to look at, Jones tweeted in follow-up. Outsider curios on the moon run somewhere down in mainstream society. Recall that one scene in 2001, A Space Odyssey, yet, obviously, none have been tracked down truly. The evident solid shape sits in the von Karman hole, and China's space program has been named it, reminiscently, the secret house. Yutu-2 will burn through a few lunar days venturing out to explore the 3D square, every one of which is around 29 Earth days long. Jones conjectured that the item could be a rock cut out by a space rock influence, and posted a photograph of a correspondingly forcefully characterized stone saw as already on the moon's surface. CNET's inclusion of the latest disclosure concurs with Jones' examination, saying the most probable clarification is that the moon shape is a stone. This shouldn't imply that Yutu-2 hasn't at any point found anything cool. In 2019, CNET detailed the meanderer found that the moon's surface was made of unexpected materials in comparison to we recently thought, a revelation that could more readily foresee how Earth's inner layers could change over the long haul. We're not saying there isn't odd stuff on the moon. All things considered, we as of late tracked down sufficient covered oxygen under supporting billions of people's surface. In any case, to say the very least, we aren't pausing our breathing over moonblock, and in the event that it ends up being something besides a stone, we'll be truly dazzled.